how to add images to notes in Microsoft OneNote. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to insert images in your Microsoft OneNote? Then you're in the right place. Let's get started. You need to open up any browser and head over to the Microsoft OneNote. So after you have created the note, on the left hand side at the top, you can see various options. You need to head over to insert and then you can see picture right there. You just need to tap on it and you can insert picture from your device, click a real-time picture from your camera or search on the web. So the most easiest one is inserting a picture from your device. So make sure you already have downloaded the image that you want to insert. Then tap on this device. So go to the folder where your image is stored, just tap on it and hit open. And now you can just adjust it according to your wish and it's right there in your Microsoft OneNote. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.